Yes.
Yeah, please. I became a item number 21, 22, Lordship. Meta we can inform.
21 and 22.
Yes, Lordship.
Your Gigi Gogoi.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, Education Department. Anybody? Education, Mr. Bora. Yes. 3 G. Gogoi, Learned Council for the petitioner. Petitioner. Petitioner submits. Submits that by flux of time. The matter has become infructuous. Also heard 3 P. Bora, Learned Standing Council, Elementary Education Department, as well as Government Council. Anybody? Government Council? Government Council? No. Who's there? Who's there? The board? Anyone who will be coming to the court? Mr. Bhuya, who would be coming? Otherwise, we'll record his name.
Okay, go.
K. Gogoi. Learned G. Full stop. Writ petition. Writ petitions are accordingly dismissed as infructuous. Petitioners will be.
21.
Yes. Yes.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 25. I've taken the consent from the other side.
Yes. Mention means what?
Your Lordship, we have not received instruction.
You want time?
4 times.
You have not filed the affidavit.
No, no, Lordship.
Notice has been issued.
Yes, Lord.
Yes, you're for?
I'm for the petitioner, Lord.
Okay.
Interim will continue.
You're for the petitioner.
I'm from the respondent.
Assam University.
Yes.
Okay, okay. On a prayer made on behalf of the respondent, Assam University, matter is adjourned by 4 weeks to enable seeking of instructions / filing of affidavit in opposition. Para? Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing. Para? List on 25th of October. 25th.
Obliged. Much obliged.
May I please, your Lordship, with due consent of the other party, I beg to mention item number 6.
Yes.
Finally, the matter may be adjourned for the day.
Motion matter.
Yes, Lordship.
Where are you adjourning motion matters? On a request made on behalf of the petitioner. When you want this week or after the vacation?
Your Lordship, after the vacation.
On a request made on behalf of the petitioner, matter is adjourned to be listed after the puja vacation.
Right.
None appears for the
Right.
petitioners on call. Yes.
Today morning, Lordship, he's supposed to, he said that file was sent back to the other advocate. None appears.
None appears for the petitioners on call. Whereas the Department of Higher Education is represented by Sri S. Bhuya and respond numbers 1 and 2 by Sri D. Mohanta. No, 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Ahmed 4?
5 to 9.
Who are 5 to 9?
Private.
M. Ahmed for respond numbers 5 to 9. Para, on the last occasion also. Yes, why aren't you present?
My sincere apologies, my lord. My lord, in this case, my lord, the client has taken back the brief. My
Okay.
lord.
Even on the last occasion, none was present. Full stop. This court has also been informed by Sri D. Kulita, Learned Council, that though he was appearing earlier, the brief has been taken away. Full stop. Para. Taken away.
They have decided to engage separate
Taken away. Full stop. Para. In the interest of justice, let a final opportunity be given to the petitioners to make representation. Full stop. list again on Wednesday.
And let it be after the vacation, my lord.
If they are not interested, last occasion was 16 and nobody was there.
My lord, there was
You need not be worried. Brief has been, we are still giving a chance on Wednesday. In case there is no further representation, this court would pass or Thursday. Thursday.
can it be immediately after the opening, my lord?
If you are appearing, make an appearance.
No,
Argue the
I'm not
case.
appearing,
Please
my
do not make an argument if you are not engaged in the case. We have on our own volition had given another time. We could have dismissed today itself.
Fine.
On Thursday next. Okay, trusted failing which the would be inclined to pass appropriate orders.
Obliged.
Thank you. Make it better pertains to family pension to the unmarried daughter. And I
Notices were issued.
notice issued and we have amended the petition also, Lordship. Serve the copies to the concerned council.
Why is it listed for again motions? Notice was not issued. Instructions received. Madam? Third 3 MK Bora Learned Counsel for the petitioner, who by means of this petition has raised the issue of grant of family pension to an unmarried daughter.
Unmarried.
The Learned Counsel has also informed that pursuant to the order dated 4/3/2024, you have filed IA.
I tell you here, I has been allowed for implement of party
You had impleted
implemented.
pursuant to the order dated 4/3/2024, and I was filed, whereafter new parties were implemented. Full stop. He has also referred to where is- to the amended writ petition filed after such implement. Para, let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. Ms. J. Gogoi?
Yes, sir.
Oh, no, Chief Secretary. Yes, Chief Secretary. State Council. No State Council. What's happening? Sri K. Gogoi, Learned State Council, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1, Lima Hassan J. Gogoi. Ms. J. Gogoi, Learned Standing Council, Learned Council appearing on instruction of RM Das.
Yes, sir.
Standing
Only for respondent number
Standing
2.
Council,
Lord.
Lima Hassan Autonomous Council. It is not Lima Hassan Autonomous Council, madam.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Yes, what is this? You don't know what the name of the council? Council is still not Kacha, NCH. The district is Dimahasa.
Yes.
On behalf of RMDAS Standing Council, NCHAC accept notice on behalf of respondent 2,
Only two.
Karbi Anglong, Kemprai, S Kemprai Standing Council, Ki Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for respondent number 3. Then Agriculture University, DIFU, anybody? Accountant General, AG who's Standing Council, Arke Talukdar. Arko Talukdar for 5. Public Treasury Officer, and say you are also for Treasury.
Finance.
Huh?
Treasury is finance.
But this is of NCLs.
Treasury is finance.
Okay. 1 and 1 here in Elikiba, K. Go in Elikiba, PN Sharma Elikiba. 7 Treasury Officer H. Aliha, 7 H. Aliha. Pension, yours pension also. 1 and 6 PN Sharma. Or extra copies within 2 days. Or steps for service of notice. Assam Agriculture University has a standing council. Mr. P. Kotaki. P. Kotoki, did you serve copies upon him?
Yes,
No.
sir.
P. Kotoki, 4 respondent numbers, I got to leave, 4 and 8. Extra copies, huh? Okay. Okay. Okay, you accept for finance, not HLE, huh? At MV लिखिबा. Finance, treasury officer on. Let the names of standing council of all the respective departments be reflected in the cause list. Register ED to not again, register ED to 9. Okay. You, sir, Mr. Bora, serve on the council whose names are not reflected today. Okay. Returnable? Returnable? Returnable for that. 4 weeks.
Kindly matter may be passed over for the time being.
Well, in this matter, instruction was called for. I have received the instruction. Well, may I file affidavit?
No, well, no issue notice. Why without issuing notice, you should file the affidavit.
Actually, initially instruction was called.
Uh,
What is the matter, madam?
Lordship, actually, I'm not engaged in this
Regarding
matter.
selection
Are
of
they?
president of SMC, here, 2 persons has initially, general meeting has nominated 2 persons for the post of president. Thereafter, district elementary education officer asked for invite for nomination. Then, one respondent of 6 has filed his nomination for the post of president, but petitioner has not filed.
The instant writ petition. What is your name, madam?
R. Shahid.
R. Sahin. On behalf of
R. Day.
heard Miss R. Sahin, Learned Counsel, appearing on instruction of Sri R. D. Counsel for the petitioner. Para. The petitioner is aggrieved by the election, public nomination of the respondent number 6 as the president of the school managing committee of the Hubang Khaiti LP school in the district of Morigaon. Full stop. It is alleged that there is violation of the provisions of the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009 and the rules framed therein, as well as the notifications dated 3/8/2011 and 3/8/2023. Full stop. Let notice be issued. Returnable on 28/8, 28 October. P. Bora,
1, 3, and 4.
London Standing Council, Elementary Education Department, accept notice on behalf of respondent 1, 3,
And 4.
and 4. ADC, Morigaon, State Council, PN Sharma. PN Sharma for 2. Extra copies, 5, 6, registered post AD, 2 working days. Okay, we should record your name or her name. We record your name.
This is also them.
Okay. Okay.
Clerkship matter relating to provincialization of service. Clerkship may kindly peruse the order dated 21/6/2024. And Clerkship 9/8/2024. This honorable court directed them to complete the process of provincialization, Clerkship. But they have not done it yet. Recently, they have filed an affidavit, Clerkship, wherein they have stated that they
We'll
have,
issue notice.
Lordship, what happened, Lordship, because of a spelling mistake in part of the respondent, I am suffering since 2020.
Okay, we'll issue notice.
Lordship, in the meantime, respondent number 1 may
Okay.
approve the Lordship, creation of post as
Your R. Islam,
Lordship.
heard Sri R. Islam Learned Counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by non-provincialization of his services. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that the district scrutiny committee Dhubri, as well as the state level scrutiny committee, had recommended his name. Full stop. However, due to a typographical error, comma, the process has not been brought to a logical conclusion. Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued. Returnable on 28/10/2024. Miss, who will accept notice?
Lordship, I accept for 1, 2, 3, and 5, your Lordship.
S. Kempra.
No, Lordship, H. Charangi.
Sorry. H. Charangi, your standing counsel,
Yes, Lordship.
secondary education.
Yes, Lordship.
1,
2, 3, and 5.
1, 2, 3, and 5. What about 4?
I'm appearing for 4.
4, P.N. Sharma. Extra copies. 6, registered post with AD. 2 days. Pendency shall not be a bar for consideration of the case of the petitioner in accordance with law.
Lordship, I may kindly be allowed to take justice service upon the respondent number 6.
6.
Yes.
Okay. 6 or Diva. Additionally, comma, as requested, justice service is permitted upon the respondent number 6, which however is to be public Diva. Again, notice of Diva, that's the affidavit before the next date. Fix the next date. Next date, after just next date, 28. Okay.
Obliged.
May I please, your Lordship? Matter is regarding non-payment of arrears salary, Lordship.
Hmm.
The petitioner first case, petitioner was not paid since his joining to 28 to 2017. Currently, they are having their salary, Lordship.
My lord, we have not received instruction. My lord, let notice
This
may
will
go.
be issued, Lordship.
But madam, how do you overcome your delay?
Lordship,
Delay.
Lordship, last occasion, annexure, Lordship of 23. Therefore, Lordship, I have made the statement that regularly I am approaching, Lordship.
Your regular approach will not help you. What is the law?
But Lordship,
Arrear salaries
yes,
of
Lordship.
2017. You
Lordship.
come to the court in 2024.
But there are some official communication.
What is the official communication?
Lordship, may kindly see last page. Of
Official communication will extend the period of limitation.
no, Lordship, they are considering my matter, Lordship.
Where?
Lordship, page number 31, Lordship.
Yes, what is this?
Request was made to take necessary action regarding the non.
Please read.
Lordship, you have.
Yes. Where is the acknowledgement? Is this an acknowledgement?
No, Lordship, non-royal certificate was also issued by
No,
them,
is this an acknowledgement? We are on the aspect of latches.
Lordship.
Is this an acknowledgement?
But my statement is there,
Your
Lordship.
statement will not do, madam. Arrear salaries, cause of action. When? From 11 to 2017. If that is held to be a continuous period, at least say 18, 19, 20, 21, 23 years.
Lordship. But since we are in the department, Lordship, and they are.
We are not on the aspect of current salaries, madam. Current salaries is a different matter. Arrear salaries is a totally different matter.
But since they are considering, they are taking action regarding requesting each other, Lordship. to
Where is
take-
the request? It is only
You
for
are-
consideration of your representation.
You are therefore kindly recognize as per rule accordingly, Lordship.
Yes. To consider your representation. If they do not issue this, you will say they are not considering. If they issue this, you think a right has accrued to you. Where is the right? We cannot go beyond what else the division bench has laid down. Even for arrear salaries, you have to come within time. Otherwise, the last 3 years you can get at least, even to that extent. Division bench has said,
Lordship.
if the period is supposed to 20 years,
Okay.
you come on the 28th year, only the last 3 years you will get, nothing more. Here you have come to the court in 2024 for a cause of action which has arisen in 2017.
But Lordship, we made a representation. They,
Show us a law that representation will enhance your.
in that
period.
case, Lordship, these matters may come after vacation. I will file an additional affidavit bringing if there is something on record, Lordship. Both the matters.
We will issue notice, we will have the issue of maintainability open. heard Ms. S. Kanumgo, learned counsel for the petitioner, who by means of this petition has prayed for release of arrear salaries for the period 1/1/2011 to 28/2/2017. Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued. Returnable in 6 weeks. P. Bora, learned Training Council Elementary Education 1, 2, 3,
And
4.
formal.
4. Finance,
5, 6,
Mr.
7, 8.
Bhuya. 5, 6,
7.
7, 8. Bhuya. Extra copies. Para. Admittedly, comma. The writ petition has been filed only on (31/7/2024). Full stop. The period, the question of issue of maintenance is accordingly left open. Next, same
Same lordship.
for the period
Period is.
7/6/2011, 28/2/2017. Same period.
No, lordship.
You have to second to 7/6/2011 to 28/2/2017. Respondents are same.
Respondents are same.
Same respondents. Our petition on file is 30/7/2024. Okay. Same matter kept open.
Reply.
Well, medical admission matters, MBBS, they were supposed to file the affidavit because it is a time-bound schedule.
Actually, there are some instructions regarding this case, but this case is which is best handled by B. Gopal because the instructions are with him. Can this matter be taken up at 2, subject to your lordship's convenience? And the
2 o'clock, there is a revision bench. We are not here at 2 o'clock. Do it tomorrow? But tomorrow, 30th September will be over.
Hello?
The deadline is 30th, so what is?
30th October.
October.
That also is not very clear. Normally it is 31st of September is 30th of September, 31st of August is the last day. But this time I don't
No,
know
in the
why.
case of Mridul or what was it?
Madhuri Pat.
No. What was the name?
Middle
Mridul 30th of September.
30th of month, any month.
August.
No.
No, it's 31st of August, madam.
What is the date? There's a date.
Yes, madam, 31st of August.
30th.
More,
30th.
yes,
As far as
okay,
my understanding, 30th of any.
And my lord,
Not any man, Mr. Bhuya. You are standing because you should know what is Mridul.
31st.
Not of any man. Can you give in January?
No.
So why?
No.
Well, how can it be any man?
30th
No,
of
laptop was-
MBBS gets over on a particular date.
September,
Yes,
I believe, Lord.
But I think
No, but-
30th of September. Please check.
My lord,
30th
is
September.
31st of August. And if they want an extension, they have to get a clarification from the Supreme Court.
Kindly check up Mridul.
Yes, just 1 minute. Okay, back to that. I have checked.
Move here to only get better. Move the pet.
I'm just checking. I'm just checking. I have downloaded the judgment. Because that is important, because the Supreme Court has categorically said that it will be contempt of court if it is beyond that. Otherwise, they have to show that they can. They have to get a clarification from the. I'm just. It will now clear. This will not be good. See? Ashish Ranjan and others, that is 2016-11 SCC 225. In any circumstances, last date for admission joining will not be extended after 31st of August. But only in case of one instance of Assam, it was extended because there was some holidays and an application was filed in the Supreme Court to get it extended because these children could not come from outside. That is one instance where it has been extended. Second, during Corona time, my lord, They have extended it to 1 month. There was a specific application to the Supreme Court to get it extended. But this time, surprisingly, my lord, the National Medical Council has done it without getting any clarification from the Supreme Court beyond 31st, and the state government is relying on the notification of the National Medical Council. They have to first get a clarification from the Honorable Supreme Court that this admission will continue beyond the last paragraph of Ashish Ranjan, my lord. Yeah, Ashish Ranjan is 2016 11 SCC 225.
But how can we grant direct anything in this case today, as on today?
Your lordship will take it up on 3rd because
No, as on today, after the expiry of the last date.
no, unless they clarify that they have not only in this case, this time in Assam they have not made any admission before 31st of August. It will create havoc, my lord. They have to first
Okay,
get
we'll have it tomorrow then.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow, okay. On a prayer made on behalf of Sri B. Gogoi, Land Standing Council, Health
Your lordship
Department,
will also get the clarification from the government in this regard.
list for motion tomorrow.
Your lordship can direct them to give a clarification in regard.
Tomorrow you ask Mr.
Your
Gogoi.
lordship has a deeply obliged.
Date দিবা এইটো সোনকালে মাৰিয়ে দিব এইটো সোনকালে সেন্ড কৰি দিব
Lord, in this matter, I'm awaiting my instructions, Your Lordship. I will need some more accommodation.
No motion matter, why should it be at the motion?
Otherwise,
Completion
my Lord,
notice?
Lordship can issue
Lordship,
notice, my Lord. I'll in the meantime file my affidavit, my Lord.
Yes.
The
What is the issue, Mr. Decker?
her service was provincialized on 5th of February 2021. So thereafter, she received salary from January 21 to August 21. Now, by the respondent, we heard the respondent speak. He agreed by this lordship provincialization order. He filed a repetition, lordship, earlier repetition where I was to enter the respondent, and that was disposed of. Disposed of on lordship will find it.
No, there is an appeal.
Appeal. Now, direction is given without entering into the merit of the case, lordship. Direction is given to the petitioner to approach the authority and file an appeal. He also filed appeal, but appeal is yet to be disposed of. But because of the pendency of that non-disposed appeal, my salary is not.
His writ was dismissed.
Yes, lordship will do that.
Response number 6, writ was dismissed.
Writ is not dismissed, lordship. Only direction is that he will approach the lordship final pay. Order dated 29/11/2022.
What is the direction?
Direction lordship will find at page 25.
What is it?
After hearing the parties, considering the entire aspect of the matter, the petitioner is directed to submit the statutory appeal before the Secretary Department so on 31st January 2023 along with 31st.
Okay, thereafter?
Thereafter, direction is given within 90
No,
days.
appeal was filed.
He filed because I have annexed a document whereby he was directed to appear for hearing.
No, the appeal has not been considered.
His appeal is not considered, lordship.
Mr. Fukan, it's
But I'll-
within your domain. We initially thought it was a writ appeal. It's a matter of remand
A remand, lord.
to the appellate authority.
And to that effect, I have enclosed a division bench order that observation, the till disposal of the appeal, the effects of provincial may not be given.
Decca, Learned Counsel for the
That is not warranted, lord.
petitioner. Full stop. The petition, as per the facts projected, the petitioner, the services of the petitioner was provincialized as tutor, wide and order dated 5/2/2021 under the Assam Education Provincialization of Services of Teachers and Reorganization Act 2017. Full stop. Such provincialization was the subject matter of WPC 3657 of 2021 instituted by the respondent number 6. Full stop. The said writ petition was disposed of by this court wide and order dated 29/11/2022, directing the said respondent number 6 to submit a statutory appeal. Full stop. Though, as per the petitioner,
Paragraph number 3.
the are you aware that the appeal has been filed?
Yes, because
Uh,
I have
Though,
included
though the petitioner has
Annexure 7.
learned that such an appeal has been filed, comma, on the fact that such appeal has not been disposed of, the arrear salaries of the petitioner from September 2021 to
Mark,
March 2023 has
Okay.
been held up.
she already retired.
Full stop. It is also contended that on 31/3/2023, the petitioner had retired from service. Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued. Returnable on 30th of October 2024. 3A Fukan, Land Standing Council. This is elementary.
Elementary.
Elementary education department. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
4 madam. 5 and 6 are
Headmaster?
private.
Okay. Extra copies 5, 6, registered posted 2 days. Pendency shall not be a bar for consideration of the case of the petitioner in accordance with law.
To release the salary. Ablal.
Well, this is the application for impleting new income tax. Well, para 2.
Whom do you want to implead?
Boroland Welfare Department
As
as response number 7.
heard Miss KDB, Learned Counsel for the applicant writ petitioners, applicants,
Yes,
who by means of this petition has prayed for impleadment of the Bodoland Welfare Department as a necessary party. Full stop. The Learned Council has also referred to the order dated 5/8/2024 passed in the connected WPC 4239/2021. Full stop. Para also para after considering the prayer and also the order mentioned above, comma, the instant application is allowed and the Bodoland Welfare Department पूरा लिखिबा as per page 12 what আছে is implemented as respondent number 7. I stands disposed of. In the main writ petition, you write, this court-wide order passed today, that is so and so, as it did, has implemented the following party as respondent number 7. Issue notice to the newly implemented respondent number 7. Yes, BTC, Standing Council, BTC, is he there?
Yes. Earlier, last occasion he was there.
Sri B. Chaudhary, Learned Standing
Supply
Council,
to
BTC, accepts notice on behalf of the newly implemented respondent number 7. Let extra copies be served upon him.
Earlier,
List after 4 weeks.
after vacation.
4 weeks.
Yes. Sorry. Actually, this case relates to non-payment of salary.
May I please?
Yes, what is this?
Lord, in the years back in the year 2021, that for procedure teachers was held, my lord. Thereafter, their answer scripts were erroneously examined. They have some persons have submitted memorandum before the authority. On the basis of a memorandum, their answer scripts were re-examined.
Okay.
And press results were declared.
Okay.
Thereafter, petitioner came to know that again some erroneous
Assessment was done.
assessment was done.
There?
Thereafter, they are trying to submit a representation but they refuse to submit accept representation. And some of the person approached before this honorable court. This honorable court, in some cases, directed to submit a press representation and to pass a written order. And subsequently, the petitioners has also came before the honorable court. But in this case, notice was issued.
Yes, who is appearing?
RMS আছে, RMS আছে, সেবা আছে। Nobody has filed any affidavit.
Mr. Esper, I can.
21 matter, no affidavit filed. As Bora for whom?
RMS.
Hmm?
RMS.
RMSA, okay.
Sepa is also here, my lord.
Siba, Mr. Chutia, Mr. Roy,
Secondary education.
secondary. Madam Terangpi. Responses are yet to be filed in these cases. Para. A final opportunity of 3 weeks is granted for filing the response list after the vacation. You file, otherwise we'll go ahead without there being a rebuttal. 12-13 একেলগে হ'ব।
Lordship, in this matter, we have already filed our affidavit, but my lord, we were supposed to file an additional affidavit, bringing on record certain more developments. my
You
lord.
would be filing
We'll be
additional.
filing, my lord. Some time may be given, my lord. I've already taken the consent.
That may be taken.
You have received the instructions.
My lord, I'm awaiting, my lord. But we have written to them. They are in the process of giving a the
Sri A. Fukan, Learned Standing Council Elementary Education Department submits that pursuant to the order dated 19/9/2024, instructions have been sought for and are expected to be received soon, full stop. He prays for and is granted 3 weeks time to file additional affidavit.
Fine.
It's on 30th October.
Para, list on
Other matter.
30, 10.
Development.
My lord, this arrears salary, my lord. The last profession honorable directed to take instruction as Bora.
Yes, as Bora for BTC,
SSA, my lord.
SSA, BTS as Bora. Madam, where is with as Bora? Yes, you are there, madam, with as Bora. B. Chaudhary. This is a matter of 2022 where responses are yet to be filed. Para, as the last opportunity, comma, the SSA is granted 3 weeks time to file the affidavit in opposition. Mr. Borua, 3 weeks, last opportunity, file affidavit, otherwise we'll go ex parte. 3 weeks time, last opportunity, 2022 matter. Okay, so. Mr. Raman?
Arrears, oh, it is.
What is your name, Mr. Raman?
Uddhav Rajbangshi, my lord. Distributor, my lord.
Isn't paid? Oh, it's very recent, 25th
My
of
lord.
September. Okay, heard. 3 S. Rahman, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri H. Barua, Learned Counsel appearing on instruction of Sri
Each
B. Chaudhary for the SSA. Full stop. Sri Barwa, the learned counsel, has submitted that during the pendency of this case, the grievance of the petitioner has been redressed inasmuch as the arrear salaries have been paid. He has placed on record a recent communication dated 25/9/2024 issued by the mission director SSA to the Union Bank of India, whereby the details of payment of an amount of 4,17,320 has been given. Full stop. Para. In view of the aforesaid development, this court is of the opinion that there is no live cause of action to be adjudicated. Full stop. The writ petition is accordingly closed. Para. Copy of the communication dated 25/9/2024 is furnished to Sri S. Raman and also made part of the records. Disposed of, huh?
May it please the lordship.
Yes.
This relates to the area salary and the respondents were supposed to get the instruction as regards the status of the payment. Your Lord.
Yes.
Lordship, here in respect of petitioner number 4 and 9, Lordship, their arrears salary has been paid.
Your Lordship, that's a long story, 6 months
And,
back.
Rest of the petitioner, their school has been amalgamated with the secondary school. The secondary.
Your Lordship, that instruction they produced 6 months
Let
back.
him say, Mr. Sinha, why are you agitated? Is it a codas or something in the code? The two counsel will speak at the same time.
Your Lordship, I'm sorry.
We'll hear you. Have we said that we'll not hear you?
Lordship, ask the instruction to the way that the Lord.
Now, why is it weighted 23 matter? matter says salary, amalgamation, everything is within your domain, but make the payments. Why don't you do the exercise? At least make an exercise, verify the matter. Yes, how soon can you get back?
After the vacation, sir.
We'll fix a date. You come back with concrete instructions. Yes, Mr. Sinha.
Your Lordship, the only thing I was trying to oppose was that this was a submission made 6 months back.
No, we have seen that.
So only on that point I was agitating because they are placing the wrong submission before this court. As an officer of the court, that
No,
disturbed
4
me a
and
lot.
9, they have been paid the salaries.
No, that was a long submission, long back, Your Lordship. So that submission they have been repeatedly making, and the court on the last occasion and day before last occasion said that we are not supposed to hear that. We are here to know the others,
No,
whether the
others
other
will be
petitioners have been
requested.
paid or not. It's petitioner number 4 and 9. They have been paid, Your Lordship. I'm not disputing that.
The grievance of the petitioners, who are 13 in numbers, pertain to non-receipt of arrear salaries. Full stop. It has been recorded earlier by this court that so far as petition numbers 4 and 9 are concerned, their salaries, their arrear salaries have been released. Full stop. 3 P.N. Sharma, Learned Standing Council, Elementary Education Department, has however submitted that so far as the other petitioners are concerned, their services have been amalgamated in the secondary schools. Full stop. Para. Ms. Terangpi, Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education, was granted time on earlier occasions
Since 12/6/2020.
to obtain the instructions which are yet to be received. Full stop. Para. On the prayer of the Learned Standing Council, further time is granted to enable her to get the instructions of the steps taken regarding the grievance of the remaining petitioners. Full stop. Please this matter on 30th of October. Anything? Anything? Presence to report. You come with positive instructions. What steps have you taken? Okay.
Deeply apologize.
Wait, leader, Lordship, kindly peruse the last order.
You've seen this.
Yes, my lord.
You have filed additional affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Nayak, received.
My lord, in this case, no instruction is necessary. So for my knowledge, this content, because
I have directed to.
I have filed one affidavit, my lord, showing that showing the
They have constituted a committee to verify your
but
case.
there is no order like that, my lord, from this court. How can they make an inquiry, make a committee, my lord? Is there any order, my lord? Kindly peruse the order, last order. And Lordship, kindly peruse the order dated 17/7/2024 also. He himself stated that this is the last stage, my lord. At the stage of last stage, if they make a committee, my lord. I have already filed affidavit showing the vacancy, my lord, sending the copy.
Okay, we'll have this for admission hearing.
Yes, my lord.
Admission
Fix a
hearing
date for your.
immediately after the vacation.
Yes.
Pursuant to the last order dated 28/8/2024, Sri P. Nayak, Learned Standing Council, BTC, has submitted that vide a communication dated 27/9/2024, a committee has been constituted to examine the claims of the petitioners pertaining to regularization of their services. Full stop. Miss Devi, the learned counsel for the petitioners, on the other hand, submits that such constitution is not in accordance with law, as there is no orders
Yes.
passed by this court. Full stop. List this case for admission hearing to examine the controversy. List on when?
Madam,
4th of November, Monday.
4th of November. Madam, give 5th hearing day, madam.
4th November, we'll have it.
4th November.
4th.
Oblige.
If you want to file affidavit, you can. The parties are at liberty. Not parties, the BTC may file an additional affidavit to bring on record the said communication as well as the requirement for constitution of such committee. You justify your.
I'll oblige.
All the cases same, madam? Madam Devi,
Lordship, kindly take this matter after some time.
all the cases same. What are the IA for? IA क्यों करना है फिर? So,
Madam, in this case, we would not like to pay.
okay, 3 cases, same. Okay, yes, what is the next case?
Lordship, kindly take this matter after some time.
After some time. What is the matter about?
My lord, there was an advertisement.
You're for?
I'm for the college, my lord, Prohax. Respond number 3. Now, there was an advertisement for the post of library bearer, my lord. Earlier, the post was occupied by an SC person. Now, they want the post to be filled up by an SC. So, the roster point is for OBC. It is roster point number 6 in the cadre strength of 5. So, I have annexed the roster as well, my lord. It has to be filled up by OBC under roster point 6. Further, my lord, the petitioner is overage. He is 45 years plus. So he, in any case, even if he is given the relaxed criteria for SC, my lord, he does not pay. So he has no case on both the counts. And there's an
interim order.
There's an interim order against. College is sub. The roster point I have annexed, my lord. It is at page.
Yes, who is the senior? Who is your senior?
I thought
Ai Chaudhary.
It is so.
Let him come then.
Fine.
But the second half, this court will not be there. There's a
Fine.
second.
Fine.
DB.
Fine.
Or you take a chance on tomorrow or Thursday?
Fine.
But Thursday will not be, may not be possible.
But tomorrow.
Tomorrow we not know the regular bench will take up or not. This court may not be there.
But then,
Tomorrow you try tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. A prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of Sri Ai Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. Para Sri Nair, PD Nair, learned counsel for the respondent number
Stream.
3, has however submitted that apart from the vacancy being earmarked for OBC as per the roster point, whereas the petitioner belongs to the SC category, the petitioner has also surpassed the maximum age for such recruitment. Para, be that as it may, list for consideration tomorrow.
Deep.
Baki presence record koriba. Ki Gogoi? Gogoi for higher education. And madam for Longkumair. For who's for WPT.
Deep.
এইটো যদি পাৰা এতিয়া মাৰি দিবা এইটো কালি দিছো নহয় কিবা শুনানি হৈ থাকে তেতিয়া মাৰি দিবা এইমাত্ৰ অৰ্ডাৰটো ইয়াতে পাৰা নাই এটা মাৰিব প্ৰিন্ট হয়তো Yes.
Here, some instruction we have received, Lordship.
Notice was issued on 31/7. Got instructions.
Lordship.
Only for arrear payment, arrear salary.
It attachment to the other school, other
Part
BO.
3 B. Purkast, learned counsel for the petitioner. Para Sri P. N. Sharma, learned standing counsel, Elementary Education Department, has submitted that certain instructions have been received and the detailed instructions are still awaited. Full stop. Para. Further time of 4 weeks is granted to the learned standing counsel to obtain the complete instructions and file affidavit in opposition. Yes, next.
Here also the secondary education department is supposed to.
Same case. This is a different case.
Yes.
Yes.
May it pleases your lordship. Here, your lordship, we have received partial instruction, your lordship.
Here for whom?
I'm appearing for secondary education.
Others? Who is the contesting respondent, Mr. Purkast?
Secondary education.
Secondary, yeah, okay. Same order, huh? Yet,
The
P
date
does.
will be given, my lord, after 4
P does, huh? P does, secondary education, sending constant. Same. Okay. Next.
Deeply obliged.
Yeah, please, Lordship. My lord, this is a very old contempt matter, Lordship. 2018 matter, Lordship. Here, Lordship, there is a direction for release of current salary as well as area salary, Lordship. And there is clear mandamus, Lordship. Their order has attained finality, Lordship. And they have filed affidavit, Lordship. And in their affidavit, they have stated that they are, due to change of circumstances, Lordship, they are unable to comply the order, Lordship. This is their stand, Lordship.
Yes, you're for whom?
I'm appearing from NJ, and I'm seeking for short time.
For on behalf of?
NJ.
Short time means how short? It's a matter of 2018. Leave it on Thursday. Thursday. Okay. On a prayer made on behalf of Sri N.J. Khatonier, learned counsel for the respondent number 2. Matter is adjourned to be listed on Thursday. Date, huh? 3rd October.
Lordship. On last occasion, Lordship, please saw time for updated instruction, Lord.
Contempt matter, yes.
Yes, my lord. I'm appearing. Can matter be
Hmm?
discussed on Thursday?
Thursday. We'll have it on Thursday. And you got on here.
Yes, yes.
Same order, no? 310. 310.
Yes.
Huh? Just a minute. Huh? On. Okay. Yeah, take on होना ना. Okay. You are K Bharali, madam?
Yes, sir.
Okay. K Bharali लिखी हुई. Item number
20, 28, 29.
28, 29. Okay.
I'm in item number 20.
Okay.
Lordship, this is with regard to the order passed by your lordship. They have to comply with this order.
Yes, who's for the respondents? Madam Begum, who are there on the other side? Mr. Sharma?
Lordship, here, Mr. P. Kaushik. Name is.
B. Kaushik is for respondent number 1. Shristi for respondent number 2.
Lordship, after the matter for timing, Lordship, Mr. P. Kaushik, perhaps,
Timing will not be possible.
then on the next.
We'll have it on the day after tomorrow, madam? Okay. On a prayer made on behalf of the respondents. List on 3rd. Both the matters.
Lordship.
Well, for the respondent number 1, well, I would like to file an affidavit. Well, I have received some instructions. Kindly give me some.
We file the affidavit.
Till.
On the prayer of Sri Dinath, Learned Council, for the respondent number 1, matter is adjourned by 3 weeks to enable filing of affidavit in opposition. Madam, you are for whom?
Yes, for-
Affidavit you'll file.
for-
Miss H.G. Borwa, Learned Council for respondent number 2, may also file affidavit in the meantime. A. Borwa, প্রথমটা লিখিব, হ্যাঁ? Petitioner.
Well, I am retiring in January 2025, and all the process of the retirement. that
Okay,
pension
list
has
on, we'll fix a date. List on 30th of October.
And madam, the IS of the district is refusing to sign in my older process. That may not be done.
Well, petition is otherwise pending. That is
Pending.
against the interim order.
Yes.
Computing instructions on that.
Yes, I'll take.
We're fixing a date, 30th October.
Lord, Lord.
31, yes, notice. PGF.
Please, my lordship. Recused.
31 will still not take up. Joint of commercial. Oh, but it is before any other bench without me. Mr. Pathak, which is your matter? We are exhausted almost. Your matter is yet to come. Is there any matter today?
33 item number.
Item number?
33.
There is no 33.
That election matter, my lord, your lordship last time.
Okay.
Supplement.
Supply, okay. Yes, you're right. We thought we had exhausted the list. Next. 32.
Pass.
32 IA for what, madam?
IA is for lordship. Similar order has been passed in WPC 3973. Order is at Nectar A, page number 13.
You need to file IA for this.
Lordship, similar order has been passed.
So is it needed necessary to file an IA? Yes, other side.
My instruction is of 3rd of September, lordship.
They filed, they say that it's covered by an earlier order.
21.
Otherwise, lordship, is the arrears selling proposal is under process.
You take instructions on the IA. Okay. What is your name, madam?
SR Madhavia.
Heard Miss S.R. Madhavia, Learned Counsel for the applicants who by means of this IA has prayed for an order in terms of an order dated 21/8/2024 passed in WPC 3973/2024, which has been submitted to be similar. Para 3, P. N. Sharma, Learned Standing Council, Elementary Education Department, prays for and is granted 2 weeks' time to obtain instructions in this regard. List immediately after the puja vacation. If it is covered, no point. Okay. You have you annexed the judgment in this IA? Have you annexed the earlier judgment?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yes, next.
I'm sorry, my lord. Item number 28, my lord, I could not reach. I think they have the instructions.
28, we have passed orders. We have not recorded your absence. Nothing. They have, I think we've been given time.
Lordship has possibly fixed on 3rd of.
Third.
Or let it be after vacation because the physical verification we are starting from tomorrow.
But Madam Begum was there. We had passed orders in her presence. Now we'll not change orders for somebody who was not present.
I'm not. I was on vacation. Not always.
I. Yes, I.
Yeah, I have filed one RA. Praying for extension of time for filing the WL.
I was filed when?
It was filed on the 19th of September.
And today is?
6:30. 30th.
4 weeks' time. Almost more than 10 days have gone. What is the time prescribed by law?
Otherwise, Lordship.
It is like this. In an election trial, by virtue of section 87, CPC applies. And 86, there is CPC applies, and the beginning language of the section 87 is subject to the provisions of this Act. This Act means the RP Act.
RP Act.
And as far as may be possible.
Possible for CPC. Yeah?
So this is CPC applied. And there is a section called section 86. It says that endeavor shall be made to complete the trial within a period of 6
months.
Then if we go to order 17, order 8, rule 1, which was amended in 1977, in the interest of expeditious trial of suits, in 77, order 8 was amended. Now, order 8 new language is first within from the date of service of summons. I will come to the date here. Within 30 days, he has to file. In case for reasons, good reasons he has failed, then court may grant him time for a period which will not extend for another 2 months. Now, in this situation, what has happened, from the date of service of summons was on 6/8/2024. He appeared in 19th, but it is 19th of August, but actually it is service of sum. And the 30 days expired.
Yes.
30 days as provided in order 8 expires on 5/9/2024. Now, in this particular month, he has not explained why he has failed in the application, because it was his first duty to complete it. On 19th September, he has filed an application. Now, 19th application, if your lordship looks at it, at page 6, IA number 3091. The doctor says 2 things. 5 years he has diabetes.
That we have seen. One is 5 years. The next
And
is
he has suggested for 2 weeks.
Yes.
Has your lordship?
Yes, we have read this.
In the prayer portion, he has prayed for 4 weeks,
Mhm.
as a lordship. Now, if I can just add one more submission here.
Yes.
Now, there are altogether 6 steps in a civil trial. It is a civil proceeding. Now, first step is the WS. Because the language in the RP Act is subject to the provisions of this Act and as per
Yes, so far as practicable.
practicable.
Yes.
Now, here, although the 2 weeks has now expired as per suggestion of the doctors,
Mm.
now the question is, secondly, he has not explained what made him to fail in the first month. First 30 days, he has to satisfy lordship that for this reason, I could not do anything. There is no whisper about it. He just say, I want extension because I have this.
CPC from labor.
This order 8 was amended. The object clause was say for the expeditious trial.
CPC, criminal. Criminal code, civil procedure. Civil procedure code.
Personally,
Code of civil procedure. Criminal. That's what. Indian penal code পঢ়ক তো কমসে কম code of civil procedure লেখা থাকে
may I have the indulgence?
now we have CPC খন যদি বিচাৰি নাপায় কেনেকে হ'ব কওকচোন সদায় লাগি থকা কিতাপ এখন
আৰু extra এখন
civil procedure code থাকিব পাৰে code of civil procedure থাকিব পাৰে সৰু কিতাপ নহয় অলপ ডাঙৰ কিতাপ ইমান সাইজৰ কিতাপ এখন আমাৰ কিয় বিচাৰি নাপায় ইয়াতে হা ইয়াতে কিয় নাথাকিব এখন আমাৰ কিতাপ নহয় এখন যে মহন্তৰ কিতাপ ঘূৰাই দিয়ক এখন এডভোকেটৰ কিতাপ ঘূৰাই দিব ইয়াতে কিয় ৰাখি থৈ দিছে
criminal manual খনত পাব
এটা নাই CPC এখন সদায় থাকে কিতাপ এইখিনি চিট চাওক না এডভোকেটৰ কিতাপ কিয় ৰাখি থৈ দিয়ে নাম চাই কিয় ঘূৰাই নিদিয়ে
he may get it in the criminal manual also. Oh no, criminal manual to napabo. No, photo copy. The proviso was added by an event.
Now, what about the amendment? We are concerned with the amendment of 1999, which came into effect from 22.
That means the time limit.
Time limit.
Time limit for initial pre-77 pre-amendment stage was he has to file in 30 days.
1 month.
Or court
may extend for another.
As it may be extended by the court.
Yes.
As it deem fit and proper.
Yes.
But now for the expeditious trial, if the lordship looks at the object clause also, that it may be extended, but not beyond the period of another 2 months.
Now, what is the difference between the amendment of 2002?
22, my lord, now it has been added that court has a discretion to extend it further.
No, not further. It's not further. Not further. Provided, please read the
provided that a defendant fails to file the written statement within the said period of 30 days, he shall be allowed to file the same on such other day as may be specified by the court for reasons to be recorded in writing. But which shall not be
later
than 90 days. So now,
and this has been interpreted to be directory in nature, not mandatory. But the endeavor is to have it before, within 1 month, to be extended to 90 days. But even then, we have to record reasons.
But there is nothing in the application that these are the
no, this is the duty of the court to record reasons.
My lord.
Why we have to be satisfied, and the moment we have to be satisfied, the burden will go to him to satisfy the court that there are sufficient reasons to extend the period from 1 month to another 2 months.
Another 2 months. But another, we have to now read this provision
Yes.
conjunctively with the RP Act.
Correct.
RP Act section 86 brings it CPC. 86 has a period of
6 months.
6 months NDA, this is
NDA.
not mandate, NDA.
And day-to-day hearing.
Day-to-day here. Now, as your lordship is well aware, there are different stages of a civil trial. First is the WS, then is the production of documents, then the list of witnesses, interrogatories, then affidavit of evidence. There are altogether 7 main stages before we go for a hearing. These are why 6 months period NDA was because to tell main every step they are taking 1 month. So therefore, your lordship in RP Act, your lordship will find an NDA shall be made 6 months. Now,
You're correct.
if 87(1) TPC is applied, then 86(7) is the time period.
Yes, yes. Yes, Mr. Nayak.
Okay. No doubt it's a small application, but in the application we have.
No, when can you file?
What if in this application I have paid for 4 weeks?
When can you file? Tell us.
What will fix the date of 4 weeks?
No, that 4 weeks, 2 weeks, almost 10 days is already over.
Yes. In any case, what it will come after 30. Without it.
You tell us a date.
Towards the end of next month.
We'll have it on 24th. 24th. Okay, you get sufficient time.
At this stage only I want to point out one. I'm not taking it as a point of argument. This application has been filed sometimes for future conflict by a notary, affidavit, notarized at Korimganj. And that has been now annexed to an application, which applications are not. Pages are not notarized, not even by oath commissioner. Because at least at this stage, it does not fit in my mouth at this stage, at the end of my career. Your lordship will see, even the notarized also not there in the petition. Filing our oath commissioner not there. One affidavit from, that is how it has been filed.
That issue was before the registry. But the
So issue was the age.
Yes.
Issue before the registry was the age.
But
Issue before the registry was not this. I have just taken.
So far as the other pages of the application, registry allowed by saying if the advocate certifies lordship, that it can that will stand.
Now, under what provision?
That is the procedure.
What is the procedure? Please show us.
No.
Advocate signing each pages will dispense with the requirement of a notary verification.
And notary is not does not know what is there. He is verifying. Petition is not verified by the notary. If your lordship is not taking a judicial notice, I thought it is my duty to point out.
Correct. We'll not pass orders in this. We cannot. We'll ask the registry to verify, registry to explain. We'll not entertain this.
But in that case, my lord, another problem will happen. Why I was keeping silent? Today will be a date that will amount to he
Present-
being present without an application. Then, my lord, order 9 that
We
And I-
will proceed in accordance with law. They have chosen to a process which is not recognized by law, consequence will be suffered. We'll be very strict with this.
because it's a very
We'll be
because
very strict. We'll
I
be very
thought
strict.
it will be a
We'll
your
be very
lord,
strict.
it will amount to taking lordship taking a judicial notice of this kind of application.
We will not take. Heard Sri P. Nayak, Learned Counsel, for the applicant who by means of this petition application has prayed for adjournment for filing the written statement in this election petition. Full stop. Certain grounds, this application was presented on 19/9/2024, which was admittedly with certain defects and was ultimately reported on 27/9/2024, whereafter it has been listed today. Full stop. In the said application, comma, certain medical grounds have been stated in paragraph 2, full stop. From the date of presentation of the application on 19/9/2024, 11 days, 11 days have passed. Full stop. Para 3, KP Pathak, the learned senior counsel for the opposite party, election petitioner, has however pointed out that the application itself has not been filed in accordance with law. Full stop. He has pointed out that though the affidavit accompanying the application has been notarized, comma, the 4 number of pages of the application does not bear any authentication by the notary. Full stop. This court has not seen any endorsement by the registry in allowing such an application. Full stop. Let para. In view of the above, comma, the application as presented is held to be not maintainable in law. Full stop. Para. The registrar judicial is also directed to make an inquiry as to how the application of the present nature has been passed and placed before this court. Para, it is needless to state that the consequence of holding the application as not maintainable would be on the applicant who has preferred an application which is apparently defective.
Next date is 6/4/24.
Next date?
The Lord, since under civil.
Yes. What was the order passed?
The 24th is for WS, but now 24th is WS. That order will remain without an application. That's what I was saying.
List this matter immediately after the list this matter on 21st of October.
And your lordship, like, because normally in civil trial, you'll so and so, it's 6/4, so and so.
Let us see what happens. 21.
Lordship, my submission of the lordship has rejected this application on the grounds of maintainability. However, for the keeping in mind the bona fide reasons cited that
We have not said anything on the merits. We're only on the way of presentation.
then may I pray for 24th, not 24th.
21st.
Apply.
No, we'll not hesitate to pass go ex parte.
I was thinking whether it
We
will.
are not hesitate. Don't worry about those aspects. We'll go strictly by law. We'll not go by anything else.
I was wondering whether it will be fit in my mouth to take this kind of thing. So I was not.
No, we'll not
satisfied.
go. After the receiving of notice, if one chooses not to contest, it's their choice. We cannot force
Fine.
somebody to
Because
contest.
that is laid down in.
Yes.
Milord, earlier in the link up cases, Milord, the matter has been fixed on 23rd, on 3rd of October.
Tন্ময়জ্যোতি মহন্ত এখন ঘূৰাই দিব লাগিব তন্ময়জ্যোতি মহন্তৰ হয়
Milord, the
yes
link up cases have been earlier fixed on 3rd of October.
What is your application?
It is for clarification, Milord, in the review petition, Milord, the dispose of it.
Okay, the other matters are when?
Milord,
Other matters are listed sometime
on
later.
3rd of October, Milord.
We'll have it on 3rd of October. Sri P.J. Fukan, Learned Standing Council, Guwahati University, for the applicants has submitted that connected cases are scheduled to be listed on 3/10/2024. Para. Accordingly, list on 3/10/2024 along with
the contempt petition number. Contempt petition case number 163 of 2020 and 597 of 2020.
लिख लिया okay एक बार ये कर लीजिए verify कर लीजिए numbers have been verified huh no it is already there 163 is there.
That's 2 matters. On Milord 23 September, Milord, these 2 matters have been fixed on 3rd of October.
Oh, it's already there. Let us see.
23 September, earlier order.
3rd October. Okay, नहीं लिखी बात क्या ऊपर की लिखा ऊपर on नहीं ठीक please read it out. Oh, 3rd October. Oh, ठीक
most of it.
Okay.
Wait, please, Lord. Lord, criminal appeal, Lord. I have filed an IA for suspension of execution of sentence and stay of realization of fine. Judgment, my lord, was passed on 7/8/2024. Conviction, my lord, 20 years for offense under section 4 of POCSO Act. And my lord, there are other IPC sections 366 and 344.
Will you admit this?
That's POCSO matter notice. That's good.
Heard Sri M.K. Das, Learned Counsel for the appellant, who has preferred this appeal under so-and-so, against so-and-so. Admit, call for the records. Ms. S. Jahan, Learned APP, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1. Let steps be taken for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by POCSO.
Yes, through registry.
Through the registry of this court.
As provided under the notice.
In the manner prescribed. List after 6 weeks, along with a report on service as well as the record, as well as receipt of records We'll consider the IA.
My lord. Simply object.
My pleasure, Lord. The I am on appeal on that. Appeal. Along with IL.
File of text.
From written 20 years.
Okay, Mr. Huda will admit this?
Yes.
Okay, same order, huh? As Huda. Baki exact, huh? Okay. SH Bora for R1 instead of S Jahan and 2 Sim. Okay.
Not Chiba.
I can see. May it please the lordship, we have keep the paper book. The matter may be kindly checked for.
He appears for the inform.
Okay. Conviction under what?
Foxo. 6 with 8.
Foxo.
Section
Okay.
25.
Okay. Paper book has been prepared and
Received of-
appearance on behalf of the informant has also been made. Full stop. List for hearing in its turn. This paper book has been prepared. Full stop. What is your name?
MS Hussain.
While Sri MS Hussain Learned Counsel is present for the appellant, Ms. S. Jahan, Learned Additional PP, as well as Ms. S. S. Jia, Learned Legal Aid Counsel for the informant. APS, where is Bulana? Is present as well as Sri S. S. Jia, Learned Legal Aid Counsel is present for the informant. Then hearing in his turn.
Back apply.
Yes, I just noticed one of our fully KK DAS was supposed to get instruction as to the service of notice upon the respondent. Now, our office is being reshuffled after an incident. Lordship will give us more time to get instruction.
Okay. Though paper book has been prepared, it appears from the order dated 2/9/2024 that certain instructions were directed to be obtained, full stop para, on the prayer made by Ms. Jahan, the learned APP. Further time is granted to get the said instructions. Full stop list immediately after the puja vacation.
Okay.
Five, paper book has been prepared.
Okay. Matter may come up for hearing.
Okay.
It's
No, we are having for hearing the entire.
So I may be allowed to file a written objection. The arguments it's said not that.
Hearing the written objection.
No,
It's a
I will-
criminal appeal.
By the last one.
Understood. We are hearing the appeal. We are
Very
not
good.
even
Very good.
concentrating on the IA.
Very-
You are as for what? Informant.
Minus 14.
Okay. The learned counsel for the parties are present. The paper book has been prepared. Please for hearing in its turn.
Much obliged. May I please your lordships? Your lordships may very well peruse order dated 19/7/2024.
Yes, we have seen.
Yes, your lordship, and as per the order of the Honorable Judicial Registrar, your lordship, on 25/9/2024, Mr. T. Dury for the
Yes, he has been appointed as the amicus.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay, thereafter.
Yes, your lordship, we have not received the copy, and as per the office notice also, your lordship, we were supposed to collect after the completion of the paper book, your lordship.
Okay.
So
Don't
we have not yet collected.
record the hygiene.
LCR is there.
I'll see.
Let the paper book be
Okay,
prepared.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The paper book, the LCR S, chota S. have been received pursuant to the order dated 19/7/2024. Full stop. 3. The amicus curiae has also been appointed. Full stop. Let the paper book be prepared and the matter and the appeal be listed for orders.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
May please, Your Lordship. There's an IA, my lord, in out of same judgment, another criminal appeal is pending for the honorable court, my lord. In that, criminal appeal 68 of 2024, the alter has already been received, my lord. May be directed to list the matter allowing that criminal appeal.
Ms. P. Bora, learned counsel for the appellant, has informed that that another appeal arising from the same impugned judgment is pending, being criminal appeal number 68 of 2024. Full stop. List this appeal along with criminal appeal 68.
Maybe direct to prepare the paper.
Maybe there's some direction in this in that case. Once it is there, we'll check.
Public.
That's by last order of the Honorable Court, notice was issued in the IA for continuation of delay of 2613 days. The state was directed to file a response notice, which was filed. We received it on 5th of August.
Conviction under what? 302?
302.
Okay, we'll condemn the delay, madam.
Yes.
We'll condemn the delay.
Because there's no objection from the state actually.
Otherwise also,
yes.
Criminal appeal will not be strict. Heard Sri A. Gautam.
Yes.
Learned counsel for the applicant. Also heard Miss S. H. Hazarika. Learned additional PP. Oh, sorry. S. H. Bora. S. H. Bora. Learned counsel, learned APP. Para. This is an application filed under Section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963 for condonation of delay of 1849 days
1849
in preferring the accompanying appeal. Full stop. You are appearing as this is a regular appeal?
Yes.
3. No. By referring to the averments made in paragraph
7 it reads
7 of the IA, the learned counsel has submitted that there are reasonable grounds cited for which the appeal could not be preferred within the prescribed period of limitation. It is also submitted that there is no delay and laches and there is no negligence or laches, and the delay has occurred due to reasons not within the control of the applicant. Also heard Miss Bora, the learned APP, has submitted that written objection has been filed on 5/8/2024, which has been perused. Considering the nature of the appeal, wherein there is a conviction under Section 302 of the IPC, we are of the opinion that interest of justice would require condonation of the delay and to examine the appeal on its merits. Full stop. Para. The delay of 1849 days is accordingly condoned and the IA stands allowed.
Great.
In the main appeal, right?
Yes.
In view of the order passed today, that is so and so, whereby the I 659 of 2024 filed under Section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963 has been allowed, comma, the criminal appeal is to be registered and listed for admission.
Would a fixed date be given?
It
Because,
will be done immediately, not worry.
because
New
the
matter.
co-accused are acquitted in this case.
It's a new, fresh matter. I think immediately, maybe before the vacation, do not know, or immediately after, don't worry.
Very well. Great.
Yes, madam.
This is connected appeal as a pay of 696 days.
First time.
Yes.
Will issue notice at this stage? What is the conviction?
Under
Oxo-
section 6 of Oxford.
There is a private respondent also.
Yes.
Okay, we'll issue notice. Heard Miss LDB Learned Counsel for the applicant who has filed this application under section 5 of this so-and-so, praying for condonation of delay of so-and-so days. Full stop. The connected criminal appeal has been filed, has been preferred against so-and-so, let notice be issued. Returnable by 6 weeks. Miss S. H. Bora, Learned Additional PP, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1. Let steps be taken for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 through the registry of this court in the manner prescribed. Steps within 3 days.
This is an appeal against the section of bail.
Under the NI Act?
Yes.
Okay, appeal is preferred, appeal is prescribed, okay. Yes,
Lordship, my senior is on his way.
who is
I'm
your
just
senior?
chasing her. Lordship, just 1 minute, I'll give it down.
Oh. Don't hurry up, we are voting, don't worry. Appeal is preferred under 21.
Yes.
You should be sorry for causing almost hurt to your colleague.
My lord, in this case, my lord, Mr. J. Kamar has been engaged by the lawyer.
He said your name, then you are
Yes,
saying
my
J.
lord.
Kamar. Then J. Kamar will say somebody else's name.
No, my lord, no. My lord, Kamar sir
The
informed me
buck
that
will stop with J. Kamar. Buck has been passing from him to you, then to J. Kamar. Buck stops here. Who said the buck stops here?
my
Do you
lord,
know?
no.
You do not know. Somebody had said, yes, Ms. Jahan. The buck stops here. Not writer. US president. One of the US president. I'll not tell the name.
Homework.
Hmm?
My lord, homework.
Huh?
Homework.
Homework. Google work. Google work. And the buck stops here. Truman. Truman. Passing the buck. He says that no, buck. Somebody has to take the responsibility. The buck stops here. So the buck will stop with Mr. Kamar. Hopefully.
No, my lord, yesterday night he informed that today he's at Nagaon, my lord. He'll come.
Not yesterday night, last night.
Last night, sorry.
It cannot be yesterday as well as night.
So, my lord, immediately after vacation, my lord. Otherwise, this matter relates to bail, my lord.
We have been apprised, yes.
My-
Okay. Yes. So vacation for you. On request made on behalf of the appellant, matter is adjourned to be listed after the puja vacation. Sri R.K.D. Chaudhary, Learned Standing Council and I is present.
My lord, if possible, kindly fix the date, my lord.
Okay. As requested, list on. We'll have it on 25th of October. Is it okay?
My lord.
Oh, yeah,